You ever do trim work and you find yourself at a dead end that just looks awkward to leave straight edged? Well, today we're going to talk all about trim returns, how easy they are to cut, and how much better they make your finished product look. So let's get to it. This is the look that we want to avoid. So first of all, go ahead and set your miter saw for a 45-degree bevel. Then, measure your piece and make an inside 45-degree cut so that the end of the finished side of the bevel cut is flush with the end of your wall. Now, to cut the return, take the offcut and flip it around in the opposite direction. You want to be accurate here and make another inside bevel cut, slicing off just the very end of your piece. So that you end up with a sliver like this that'll give the end of your trim a finished look. Once you've got both pieces ready, you need to glue them together. You can use wood glue for this, but I find it easier and faster to use CA glue and a bit of painter's tape to hold the pieces together for a couple of minutes while they bond. Once that's done, all that's left is to take your baseboard, install it, and stand back to look at how good it looks now that you know how to cut a trim return. And if you're me, get a bit of paint to touch up that little part of the wall you damaged removing the old trim.